Good afternoon and welcome back to the Lincoln List Day Trading Alert Recap. This is the recap for Wednesday, July 11th. I will be out of town, so the next recap will be from Monday's Day Trading Alert. So just remember not to check back on Thursday and Friday because I will not have any updated alerts. Hey, we did a lot better. 6 wins, 3 losses on Wednesday. So we're starting to come out of that little bit of day trading fluff that we've been in, where there hasn't been a lot of trends and breakouts. So much better trading on Wednesday. We had quite a few. Let's get right to them. Opened up with a Fran here on the breakout, long at 29.59, and a quick scalp here. Almost called the top at 29.83. Good trade to start the morning off. Next, Osura, OSUR. Yeah, I actually went short here on the short breakout. So basically, two of the same setups on the first two calls, one long and one short. Short at 12.62, and then cover down here at 12.38. Two quick scalps. Next, we had NAV. Yeah, NAV, I guess we got greedy on the third breakout, right? We went long here on 23.20, and then no follow through. It all fades all the way after the chop fest. Covered 22.80. Next, SSH. Another breakout play here. Long at 14.60. This was a really risky stock. It was a high flyer. So it was a very small trade amount-wise. But check out the huge gain. It's a shame we didn't go in a little bit heavier. Long at 14.60 and out at 15.30, even left about 30-40 cents on the table, and then it romps all the way to 17.25. So just one of those risky trades there, but ended up really good for us. Long at 14.60, out at 15.30. Next, SWHC. Yeah, this really seemed to top out on the daily chart, so when we went to intraday, I noticed that it couldn't hold the 950 from yesterday, and we started talking about it in the chat room, and so we ended up going short on this breakout. Short at 928 and covered here at 914. Did end up going all the way down to 9 and bouncing up off that, but it was a good quick scalp for us. Next was Zoma XOMA. Zoma stock I thought we were going to get a little bit more out of too on the shortfall. Short at 388. And then not a lot of volume here to push this thing one way or another. Covered at 386, and it was the right move as it eventually picked up that volume and then came through and back up towards the moving averages there. Okay, next, SKYW. This stock has been tricky for us here. It just doesn't want to go to that 8. I thought we were going to be able to get a little magnet play there, and it eventually would gravitate towards 8, but it faked us out. Long at 7.96, chopped here, and then touched 8 for a second, and then dipped back below. So no go there. Covered at 7.86. Next, Pay. So we shorted Pay here on a secondary breakout. First breakout here when the FOMC came back with some negative news, and Pay followed, and then consolidated a bit, and then continued to go down further. We were short at 35.11, covered at 34.89. Pretty good trade there. Last trade, HCSG. This was a trade that I thought was going to fade into the close, and so we took it here on the breakdown, and then it reversed on us. You know, these trades happen sometimes where you really have the setups gauged correctly, and at times they do reverse on you, and so it's really important to keep your losses small on these, because as you can see from the previous recaps, these will work more than they don't. So good to understand risk and reward there and keep those losses small. Hey, if you're interested in giving the Lincoln List a try, click on that link below to give you a 14-day free trial for the day trading alerts. That includes all real-time picks, stock analysis, commentary with the other traders in the room. Hope you check us out. Subscribe and comment to the YouTube video, and like I said, I will see you guys next week on Monday. Thanks. Have a good weekend.